Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Jayeeta and friends call me Rima, and my channel is all about DIY, home decor and lifestyle. And in today's video I'm going to share you 2 easy Christmas craft decoration ideas. But before moving to that video, if you are new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you like this kind of videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more upcoming new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. You guys have enjoyed this video, and definitely try this 2 easy and beautiful Christmas craft for upcoming Christmas day. If you liked this video or like this type of DIY and home decor videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next week. Take care. Bye bye.